Australia dethroned India to become world number one in Test format after almost 4 years. It's also the first time since October 2016, that India slipped down in Test rankings. Now, Indian team is at number 3 in Test rankings with ratings of 114. Australia ranked first in this table with 116 points, while New Zealand is also in second position with 115 points. But the question is, how this could be possible if there is no cricket from past 3 months? How do the ICC ranking system works? It's about the point system. Points of all the matches played in last 1 year, that is from May 2019 to May 2020, are counted 100% for the rating system, while the points of all the matches played 2 years before 2019, that is May 2017 to May 2019, are counted only 50% for the rating system. The season of 2016 and 2017 is considered as a golden era of Indian Test history, where Virat and company dismantled each and every opposition whom they played and lost just a single game against Australia in March 2017 out of 23 matches. So those games added a great value in win percentage and future point rating system for years. But later on, due to lack of consistency in South Africa and English tour in 2018, the ratings graded down. Not that much to snatch the world number 1 title from Team India. But now, after almost 43 months of rulership on the Test maze, the world number 1 are dethroned to rank 3 only because of those losses, which are making a huge impact now. It's also possible that India could slip to rank 4th or rank 5th in the coming months due to the overseas losses against New Zealand this year and the less number of test matches in the coming future. While Australia also dismantled Pakistan, who were the world number 1 in T20 international rankings for almost 2.5 years. With the same point system, now Australia are at the top of their rankings for the first time in T20 history. But yet again, we need to question ICC. Why ICC never frozen the ranking system in the world lockdown? Looking on to the other sports, table tennis frozen their rankings after April 16th, badminton frozen their ranking after 17th of March, tennis rankings are also been frozen from 16th of March due to coronavirus crisis worldwide. So this leaves a big reason to worry for BCCI and many other authorities as well. ICC should stop the point counting system at least in this world lockdown until the coronavirus crisis ends. Bureau Report, Harsh Rajput.